I am Monica from IELTS 9. So most of the students were texting on comment section that what are the main reading tips and tricks, what you can share with us. Yes, one by one in each video I will be sharing one or two tips with you. So after getting the booklet of your IELTS reading, means 3 reading passages will be there in one reading test. Okay, so first of all, important thing you need to find out, you need to read the title of all reading passages. So here Australian artist Margaret Preston, and another one is parenting and responsibility, and definitely the next one is making documentary films. So I can recognize that films is an easier topic, and of course this personality also, Australian artist also, this may be the easier reading passage. And always remember, parenting, children related, whatever the reading passages are there, they are always relating to psychological subject kind of thing. Don't do it at the first place. And so after deciding that I will be doing this reading first, then I will look at the types of question. Of course, this I can imagine. Just imagine about the title that we are going to talk about. We are going to read about the life of this artist. Okay, so that must be about his childhood days, about his study, education. Just imagine that we are going to talk about getting knowledge about this Mr. Margaret Preston, the renewable personality in Australia. Okay, so that you can start it first. Now, so what I am going to do in this video, that I will show you within 2-3 minutes. You can easily find answers of special questions that I am going to show. This kind of questions. List of people means match each statement with the correct person. So list of people, list of events, list of some definitions and all. So these questions you can easily find within 2 or 3 minutes with the help of only keywords. And here also, see this, in this reading, another reading is this. So here complete each sentence with the correct ending. So these two types of same type of question is there, complete each sentence with correct ending. So it's like almost same kind of question, but yes, first we will do this, then you will understand easily. First we will be doing this list of people, how we can easily get this answer within 2-3 minutes. For this reading, making documentary films. So this is third type of question. So where we will get the location of these persons' name. Definitely throughout the paragraphs, starting from the reading paragraph number 1, you can get these persons' name anywhere. So if you have done properly, if you have done like keyword marking also, so you can see the person name I have done circle the things. Okay, circle the things. I have dates also, person name also, some different kind of thing I have done circle. Otherwise I have done this underline the things. So definitely let's do it. So before going to paragraph, we will read all the options. Of course, these are the writer's name or researcher's name. So we will read all the options. How we can read all the options within 30 seconds? The creation of some new technologies did not change viewers' attitude towards documentary as quickly as is sometimes proposed. Okay, creation of some new technologies did not change viewers' attitude. Okay, so documentary is a common word because the title of this reading is documentary films. One set of now I have understood the statement, because creation of something new technology did not change anything in viewers' attitude. Now I have understood. 21 is one set of beliefs and techniques helped to make documentary films academically respectable. So one set of beliefs and techniques help to make documentary films academic. So this is the important word. Academically means educationally, and some knowledgeable kind of thing may be there. 22nd, the action of putting material on film. Putting material on film essentially changes the nature of the original material. So film essentially changes the nature of the original material. So putting material on film Material is here common word, but something putting material on films essentially changes the nature of original material. I have understood some material they are putting on film that changes the nature of original film. 23rd, documentary filmmakers have an obligation to include their own opinion about an analysis of the real events that show in their film. So these are the things that they are distinguished words, means something different. Documentary filmmakers is not like we can't say these are the things, keywords. Have an obligation, some obligation is there to include their own opinion, sentiments, personal point of view about the real events. Now we have understood. So I am doing it slowly, but in exam you can do it fast. Now we will find this person, Dr. Helmut Fischer. Okay, in A paragraph I can see this person name. So what we are going to find, what we are going to read, only whatever this person has said. As the critic Dr. Fischer put it, documentary makers might have ambitions to tell the truth and show only facts, but there is no such thing as non-fiction film. This is because as soon as you record an incident on camera, you are altering its reality in fundamental way. Secondly, even supporters of could not change. Okay, so inverted comma we will read only, and another, yeah, nothing. So only they are talking about, I think, this person, facts about here. Okay. Yeah, we can read it. I will show you the question. We are looking for this person's matching with anyone, with any option. See this, creation of some new technologies did not change viewers. So are they talking about any new technology? No, they are not talking new technology here in these lines, inverted lines. Are they talking about one set of beliefs and techniques help to make documentary academic? So academic kind of thing is also not there. The action of putting material on essential changes the nature of original. Action of putting material on film essentially changes the nature of original material. So here they were saying something, might have ambitions to tell the truth and show only facts, but there is no such thing as a non-fiction film. This is as soon as you record an incident on camera, they are altering its reality in fundamental way. It means they are talking about changes the nature of original material. So we can just fit it with a number person. Okay, because here altering here means changes. Okay, and now coming to next person, Anthony Berwick and Paula Murphy. Because we are keeping in mind these two persons, one by one we will get this. Okay, Mr. Berwick. So this person is not there. In B paragraph, no other person is there. Let's move to C paragraph. But at the end of this B paragraph, we have got, among this group is film historian Anthony Berwick, who argues that genre can be traced back as early 1895, when similar films started to appear, including newsreels, scientific films, accounts of journey of exploration. Okay, so genre kind of thing they are not talking. Technology did not change viewers' attitudes, believe help to make academically, nothing. Document filmmakers have an obligation to include their opinion. Nothing is there about opinion, academic and all. So we can move to next paragraph. Let's find this another person, Paula Murphy, and again Berwick. We have covered John Garrison. John person is not there. Paul Murphy is here. Paula Murphy. Let's read it. According to film writer Paula Murphy, the principles and methods of direct cinema brought documentaries to the attention of universities and film historians as never before. Documentaries started to recognize as a distinct genre worth of serious scholarly analysis. Scholarly means academical, respectable. One set of beliefs and techniques help to make documentary films academically respectable. So this will come with C number. C, I will just show it to you again. To the attention of universities and film historians as never before, documentaries started to recognize as a distinct genre worthy of serious scholarly analysis. Beliefs and techniques. So this is the thing. Now we have done this also. Now Maria and Josh Camberwell. Okay, so in next paragraph we can find Maria Person name. No, nothing is there in the D paragraph, nothing is there. Yes, in D paragraph, I can see this person name. Maria Faila has pointed out arguments sometimes put forward that these innovations immediately transformed what the public expected to see in a documentary isn't entirely accurate. Okay, they are talking about public. See this public kind of thing. Viewers. Okay, so how they have paraphrased. I will just check it to you. Okay, just a minute. So what they are saying, see, I have shown this person name. The argument sometimes put forward that these innovations immediately transformed. Earlier arguments were there sometimes. These innovations, some new technologies, means some innovations immediately transformed what public expected to see in a documentary isn't entirely accurate. So here the creation of some new technologies did not change viewers' attitude towards documentary as quickly as is sometimes proposed. So did not change means not accurately accurate. So here we will just write D number answer. Okay, now we have left only 23rd and we have checked this person also. This was not matching with anyone. So this person is left. This also we have done. So we can already match here. What we can match here? This one. Okay, but we have to find where this person Josh Camberwell is here. So in E paragraph, I am showing you E paragraph. So catfish is there, but filmmaker Josh Camberwell is here. So we will read it from here. Maintains that catfish embodies a new realization. Documentaries are inherently subjective and that this could be celebrated. Okay, says Camberwell, it is a requirement for documentary makers to express a particular viewpoint, give personal response to the material they are recording. See, this opinion means viewpoint and analysis of the real event. So this was correct. So how we have just marked it within seconds, like within minutes, that's more important. So hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9.